Welcome back to another video, guys. This is just a quick video. Look what we saw today.
Little baby birds.
2 of the eggs have hatched. Look at, oh, so cute. Now, if you guys saw the little short video that was on our channel of the birds, that was just a few days ago. And today we looked, and here are 2 of the birds, and then the egg on the right, this one here, is cracked on the side, so you can't see it from the video, but there's a little crack in the side, so that one will probably be hatching here soon as well. But look how cute they are. Oh my gosh.
They are so cute.
And there is
The mom.
probably the mom in that tree right there. It's in there somewhere. You can hear it chirping at us.
These little birds are really
Look at him.
cute.
Ah.
The other one thinks we have food for them.
Yeah, see there, you can kind of see the egg see it's cracked right there. That little one keeps getting in the way. Look at him.
The funny thing is, the other one thinks we have food for them. Oh, they're so cute.
You see there's a crack in it. Alright, well, I'm going to let the mama get back to her babies, but I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys these cute little baby robins. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.